Behavior and personality of an African Grey Parrot. While many people love the idea of acquiring an African Grey Parrot, most experienced owners argue that these birds should only be kept by experienced bird experts due to their sensitive, complex, and sometimes demanding nature. While they're generally brilliant and charming, their wit combined with emotional sensitivity can lead to certain behavioral issues. These birds are extremely habitual, so any disruption in regular routines can throw them off, making the sensitive bird unhappy. When discomforted, the parrot's sensitive side kicks in, spurring bad habits including chewing on or plucking at their feathers. Tags have been known to do better in busier environments, adjusting more aptly to surrounding activity, while CAGs or CAGs prefer a less chaotic environment. The African Grey Parrot is a social animal, which means they require hands-on interaction. But they are by no means birds who like to be cuddled. While some don't mind some level of snuggling, the extent that most tolerate in terms of physical contact tends to be some minor petting or head scratching. Some African Grey Parrots also can become attached to a particular person in the household, but it isn't always just because one individual socializes with them more than others.